Good evening, everybody. I really want to say a very big thank you for those that have been attending this training. For everybody that has been coming to this training, thank you. For those that subscribe, thank you. For those that were not chance to watch the video, come for the live section, but they watch the recorded version of it, thank you. For those that, they are always, I noticed there were some participants, they were up to date on exactly what is going on. Thank you. I really want to appreciate all of you. You all have done a great job. And I know God Almighty will bless us well. There is nothing like somebody teaching and you are seeing people responding to the teachings. Are you with me? It makes one to be happy. Unlike somebody teaching, nobody is turning up. I mean, that alone can even kill the person's zeal. You understand? But I really want to say a very big thank you to you all. Welcome, everybody. Now, before I start, I made an announcement yesterday that we are going to be having an advanced class. And the advanced class is starting exactly in 2 weeks' time. That the cost for the class is just a token. What's the token? 10,000 naira. Now, I want to say this. If, for instance, we cannot make a quick payment, we cannot make the full payment, you can make part of it. Part of it means you pay 5,000 now. Then when it's upper Monday, we are about to start the class. You can now pay the balance. I mean, we have so tried our best to take down this fee so that we can benefit from it. Are you with me? So please, this is what I always tell people. I advise people on this, that please key into that advanced class. If you key into that advanced class, you will never regret it. Thank you very much. Let's start. Today's class will be starting with my FX book. Okay. What's my Facebook about? Let's type in myfacebook.com. Now, when you get here, click on Home and go to Forex Calculator. Once you get there, click on Position Size Calculator. Once that is clicked upon, you notice that, let me be sure that you are seeing my screen. You notice that you see currency pair, account currency, account size, risk percent, and stop loss. You'll see trade size. Now, come here. Let's say the currency pair you want to trade on is GBP AED. Account size USD. Sorry, account currency USD. Account size, maybe you want to trade with $700. What risk ratio are you risking in the market? Probably we are risking 3%. Stop loss you are looking at 40. And you can calculate. Immediately you click on calculate. You see the money. You see the money you are risking in the market, the units, and the sizing. Now, do you know what this means? Let's go to my screen. If you have 3% of $700 times 700, zeros cancel zeros. 3 times 7 is what? $21. So what this means is you are risking $21 from $700. How? It's either on $700 is either you gain $21 on top of $700, which will give you a total of what, $720, or you lose $21 from $700. Eventually, you now go home with what? $679. So, I mean, whoever uses a risk percent in his account or risk ratio, there's every tendency that you are managing your account properly. That's why those people that collect signals, if you observe, they will say something. Risk ratio 2% to 5%. I've seen several. Those people that give signals, they always put risk management, which I will also talk about in the advanced class. I'll talk about trading psychology and risk management. Are you with me? So thank you. So let's go to the next phase. So on this, you have this, and this is a lot for this. The lot size that can achieve this is 0.08. That's what it means. You know, normally on $700 account, normally on $700 account, you're supposed to have 700 divided by 10,000. So which is 0.07. I see it. So that is that. Let's proceed. The next one I talk about is investing.com. Oh, before I talk about investing.com, let me talk about the economic calendar. Now, when it comes to my FX book, you just come to this section, calendar. Just a minute, I'm seeing some funny things here. Okay, I think we are just having just one news here. Anyway, let me use ForexFactory. That's all. Investing.com. Investing.com will also be good. Investing.com. All these things I'm talking about now was what I told you to download on day 3. And I remember very well, I had it in mind that I also talk about this. On investing.com, you have so many things to talk about. We have the tools. On the tools here simply means that we are looking at Forex volatility. Click on Forex volatility. Now, once you click on Forex volatility, can you see? You can see pips here. This pips here shows you what has been assigned for the week. For instance, AUD card, 83.34 has been assigned to AUD card. 7 points, if you don't know where 7 is, check under pips. See it. So 7.64 has been assigned to them for the week. I said it. Then, for instance, AUD USD, 89.90 has been assigned to it for the week. Look at the currency pair we're using for my FX book. We want to targeting 150 pips. I mean, that's not feasible. That's not possible. Are you agree? So that is commodity. Natural gas, stocks, like we know, market has been down for some time, like Bitcoin. So that's it. Now we now know when to buy and sell in the forex market. How do we now buy and sell in the forex market? The thing is even rising up. The loss was so terrible. Before you look at it, the bid and the ask price, buy and sell. Guess what? You can also trade Bitcoin in forex. That's the beauty. You can also trade Bitcoin in forex. I want you to know this. Whenever you know today, forex pairs, they don't operate weekends. So when you have something like this, the first thing you do is come here, check on all these time frames. Look at this. You have Euro USD, strong buy, strong sell. If I were you, get because this strong sell is I get the daily time frame. So it's very, very dangerous because it's on what? The daily time frame. A more confident like is strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. When you have all of them all true, probably strong sell, strong sell, strong sell. Make your decisions. But when you're now having something like a strong buy, neutral, sell, and a buy, don't even bother into that market because that market is a confused market. Now, for us to see if Mr. Bossawa is lying, this market was a strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Let's go to trading view and check if truly GPP CHF was on a strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Can you see? Let's now go to GPP CHF to see if this man is lying on GPP CHF. Let's click here. I look for the up-to-date news. Like we always have recent happenings on ForexFactory. You get it? Recent happenings. And the news are recent news. Look at it. Even as I 1 minute ago, Zippo22 replied a comment as regards USD, Euro USD. And let's see what the man said here. He said, good thoughts and I respect. These are top Forex traders who are making predictions about the market. Made this item. One thing I'll tell you is this. Sentimental trading is not something I really like, sentimental analysis. What's sentimental analysis? When you are using people's decision to enter the market. Sometimes this forex business can even scatter somebody's head. But when you are seeing somebody who is telling you that the market is going to buy at this spot, and you're also seeing another person say the market will sell, you get confused. So rather, what I tell people to do is use your technical analysis to back up your news trading. And when that's done, then you are fully rest assured that everything will go to get it. So, is there any question in the house before I go? Like I said, the advanced class starts next tomorrow. There was somebody that joined the class. You know, people can be so funny. I think the man had 10,000 and the man left the class immediately. It is well, it is well. It is well. Honestly, the man had 10,000. He ran immediately. People don't know that in this life, for you to be successful, you just have to take risk. That's it.
Yeah.
I regret not taking earlier risk in my life. Because when I started taking the risk, it is what I'm enjoying today. You get it? I can't, if I open my Udemy account, you know, Udemy, when you buy courses on Udemy, you can't share with somebody. That's the only part about it. I don't know if now you can share because it's been long I bought courses from them. Well, if I open my Udemy account and see the courses I bought in dollars, you'll be marveled. You get. The first day I paid on Udemy, I said, I'm sure they will not steal my money like this. I've never done this. And I just did. I got my material. That's how it has been. So you must take risk to be successful. Sometimes, in fact, there are sometimes people who want to attend this advanced class training. They will even want to pay half. They will pay half to see if the person is a criminal. And I don't blame you people, but what you should know is you must have been victims, but that doesn't mean you will not keep on trying. If they not pay half and see that it's as if this man is real, before the other Monday will come, they will balance up immediately. And there are some, if they pay that half, if I remind them that you have not paid immediately, they balance because they know the worth of what they are getting. So it's just a very simple thing. It's just a very simple thing. Try and subscribe in the advanced class, and you will see if your trading journey will not be different. I tell people something. If some people, before some people used to pay for my advanced class, I say, yeah, Mr. Doswell, how many years have you spent in the forex business? To the glory of God, I am just 4 or 5 years in the forex business. But guess what? I know people who are been in this business. Somebody called me on Friday. I don't know if I said this yesterday. The man said, Mr. Doswell, I want to know about you. They said you are a forex trader, you are this. The man was not asking me questions. You know, if you want to know somebody who knows the business, you should ask the person about the business. He said, what's price action strategy? What is Bollinger Band? And he now said, what's the difference between premium, micro, and zero? When I broke it down for the man, when I finished analyzing it for the man was convinced. The man opened up to me that he has been in this forex business since 2009. He's even my elder brother. But the difference is that he has not gained in it. He has been burning accounts. He has been failing. How do you think? So what am I trying to say? Anybody who attends the advanced class, who is consistent with this training, even me that have been 4 or 5 years in this business, you can just use 1 year to be better than me. I always tell my students something. Forget I'm the one teaching you. Nobody is a boss in the market. Even a boss can fail at a point in the market. Nobody is a boss in the forex market. Somebody say I spent 15 years. Go to, if you want to see those I spent 15 years, 20 years, go to investing.com. I have friends there. I spent 20 years. Even me that I'm just 5 years, I just hide my head because I'm a small boy. But what is their result? The result is what will convince you. In those days, whenever I withdraw my hot forex account, I show people my balance. So I do not think that maybe this man is teaching forex. He has never withdrawn for once. I will even tell you all the patterns to withdraw. That same hot forex, I have an affiliate account, meaning if you register through my link, I have some bonus. Once it is $50, they pay into my account. Are you with me? I'm not saying that it must be $50. Sometimes it can be $150, $200, but the least is $50. And guess what? They pay that money on Wednesdays. Yes, 10 a.m. you get your money in your account. Nigeria, we are today. Convert that money, and you know how much it's saying. It is exactly somebody's salary, and even more than somebody's salary. So a word is enough. Enough of scammers. If we now say everybody is a scammer in the internet business, who will now be there? Who will survive? And unfortunately, the wicked people are spoiling the business for the genuine people because we really don't know who is real. But the truth is, you must keep on trying in life. You must keep on trying. There was a day I was teaching my beginners class. And now in those days, I used to announce my advanced class on Tuesdays. Then somebody now said, her name is Madam Buki or so. Juma now said, Mr. Gospel, I love the way you analyzed trace topic. That was what I taught you on day 3. And Juma said something, said that the class she paid 50,000 naira for, that the man never explained what trace topic is. Yes, I'm not here to mock anybody. It's not my business. I don't even know the man they are talking about. I don't know his name. But guess what? The person did not explain trace stopping, partial closing to her. And just because of that trace stopping and partial closing, that man was convinced. That was the reason why she paid for the advanced class. Are you with me? That was why she paid for the advanced class. Something just came to my mind. I want to make a quick announcement. I don't know. There's somebody who is on his way that is planning to spoil my business, and that person will never see my business to spoil by the grace of God. What the man did was, the man downloaded my videos. I don't know, maybe he got it from my YouTube links. He downloaded my PDFs. This same soul is now sharing it to people, telling them to pay $200. Please and please. Since when I've been having this training, I've never charged more than 10,000 naira. And if I charge more than 10,000 naira, maybe it's a private class we're having. Of course, you can't pay 10,000 naira for my private class. That's way too small. What you pay for my private class is $100. Are you? Now, how did I catch up with that person? Somebody wanted to pay into the person's account. The person saw my face, he saw his face. He now said, since I'm the boss, he wants to confirm from me if I know that person. I said, Mr. Man, I don't know anybody. If you pay money to that person's account, you are in Oyo State. Oh, why? That was how this guy now said, oh, because of this guy, I now discovered that criminal about to, please, my name is, whenever you want to pay into my account number, my name is God's Power E Ejakegbe. On that GTB account, it is Ejakegbe God's Power E. Please, if you don't see that account name, don't pay any money. And if you want to pay, you can call me, Mr. God's Power. I want to pay into your account. My number is 080. My direct line is 00602 60382. 080-602-60382. If you want to pay, you can chat me up or call me. Then that's what most people do. I'll not give you the go ahead to pay. But please, if you put that account number, the name is not Ejakegbe, God's Power E, please don't pay that money. That is the criminal. I don't know why people are bent on spoiling people's job. I don't know why. I've been doing this job now for years. I don't have a bad record. Nobody has posted me on social media that there's a criminal online who is doing this. That's because I don't steal people's money. No joy in doing that. If I even take your money for the advanced class, I'll make sure I finish the class with you. Thank you very much. I don't know, is there any question for me, class, before I go? Mr. Edison, is there any question?
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Yes, sir.
So, I really appreciate your efforts toward
God
this
bless you, sir.
free class because
Thank
today
you,
is the
sir.
end of the free class. Hoping to join the advanced class.
Thank you, sir. I
Uh,
appreciate it.
I've been in Forex for
Yes,
some
sir.
months, but what I've seen in you is different from what others have been impacting.
Wow. Thank you,
So
sir.
God,
I appreciate
God
that,
bless.
sir. God
Yeah.
bless you too. I appreciate that, sir. Thank you, sir.
So please, I want you to please show me that place again. That strong buy, how to get into that place.
Okay,
That strong.
okay.
And in case something like buy, sell appears, what I should do.
Okay. Look at it again. I say a more sure way to enter the market is when you have a strong buy, and a strong buy. Most cases, I will
Okay.
even advise that if you see something like, okay, it's just one neutral we have here. Most cases, I will advise if you see, see what I'm saying. If you see strong sell, neutral, buy, please stay away from this kind of market. It is an indication that you can't really predict what is happening there. But when it is all strong buy or all strong sell, or probably what you saw was all maybe strong buy, buy, or strong buy, sell, strong buy, buy, strong buy, you can go ahead with that market. But when there's a mix of strong buy and a strong sell, please, and even when a neutral now joins like this, I beg you, stay away from that market. It is a very dangerous market to enter. You understand? Especially when you go and trade gold. No, gold is very fast. If you go into that kind of market, God forbid you don't have a good amount of money, your money might burn. It might burn because of the indecision. Most cases, when you see this kind of market, strong sell, neutral buy, it is an indication that there is indecision in the market. Indecision means that the buyers and the sellers are fighting. Nobody is having a say that I am the one who is leading this market. So in other words, it means there's a consolidation. A consolidation is when you see zigzag movement, there's no straight buy, there's no straight sell. You get it, sir?
Yes. Please, can someone check this thing on daily basis or this is for the week?
It's on daily basis, sir. Daily basis. It's on daily basis. Just that the only thing about news trading is you would constantly be monitoring the market. That's why I always prefer technical analysis. If I do my analysis, boom, I'm off the market. Most cases when I come, it's profit I see. It's profit I see. So you have to be that kind of person that maybe you are a stay-at-home dad or you are a self-employed person. But if don't worry, I will teach you something day one of the advanced class. How to set up trade alerts on TradingView, day one of the advanced class. I can also teach you that so that whenever you get the notification on your phone, whatever you are doing, probably on the system you're in the office, you can just sit down in the place and pick your trades. You get
okay. It's okay. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome, sir. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thanks for your time. And thanks, everybody. God bless you. Bye for now.